I just got back from Scentsy World Tour in Pasadena, California. World Tour is our annual event where we get to see the spring, summer new products for the catalog that drops on March 1st. And they have local all actually throughout the world because we're in several different countries. And then you also get like a spirit kit with some of the new products and catalogs and stuff. And I had a blast. So let's go ahead and open this together. I have not opened it. So let's check it out. Okay, opens this way. All right, so I got all this stuff in there. So let's see what we got. So the first thing I got was a new product that I'm excited to try, and it's called Scentsy Suds. We sell laundry stuff, and this is a new product. This is actually your laundry detergent. You just drop 1 or 2 of these little sheets in your washing machine, and this is the detergent. So that's brand new, and it comes in clothesline. So that's like a very laundry type scent. So I'm excited about that. They also gave us some Scentsy Crack, which is washer whiffs. This is like added scent that you put with your laundry detergent. And this is in the same scent, clothesline. So I'm excited to try that. They gave us some testers. These are the 10 new release scents, which I've already gone through with you guys. And so I'm super excited for these. Oh, they gave us a bar of Island Bloom, which I have already smelled, and it is incredible. Oh my gosh. So yummy. So if you want to know what this smells like, my dog's down here, sorry. If you want to know what this smells like, you can watch my video on the 10 new release scents. All right. The next thing they gave us was 5 catalogs, which is great because you just never have enough catalogs. Also, if you want samples of the new 10 release scents, let me know because I have made samples. The next thing we got was, we have these things called fragrance flowers. They're kind of like reed diffusers. And this one is huge. I haven't tried the big one yet. All right, so you get, let's see, how does it come out? Okay, you got to open that one. I haven't tried the big one yet. There's a lot of oil in this. So this is like fragranced oil. And this is, I think, the blue one. And then you get, so here's the oil. This is the fragrance. Then you get these, I think this is a Dahlia. No, it's a Dahlia Darling. But these are large. I've never tried this size before, so I am super excited. So let me show you what these are. These are handmade. They're like a papery type material. And let's see. I am super excited to try this. Okay, this is, we have different flowers. This one is the Darling Dahlia. So what you do is you put this in here, put it through here, and then you take all the wrapping off, put this in here. The oil will go up through the rope. The coloring will go through the paper, and that is the scent that comes out. These are so good for like vanities, desks, in your bathroom. They're just beautiful, and it's scent. So that's amazing. The next thing I got was one of the new warmers, and I'm going to plug it in and show it to you guys. So this one is Bubble Blue. This is a smaller warmer, but it's absolutely stunning. Okay, so now I have it plugged in. Here's the little dish where your Scentsy wax goes. All right, so let's look at it together. 1, 2, and 3. Isn't that gorge? Hold on, if I go closer, you can see it because the reflection on the camera makes it hard to see, but look at how stunning that is. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love this one. So pretty. Love it. So that's what I got at World Tour. I'm so excited. If you haven't seen my video of the new warmers, definitely check that out. And all this stuff drops on March 1st. That's when our new spring summer catalog comes out. But if there's something that you want from our current catalog, even if it goes into our next catalog, it's most likely 10% off. The only stuff that isn't 10% off through February is our charity warmer and our licensed stuff like Disney, Harry Potter, etc., etc. But yeah, we have, like, if you like those Western warmers, they're 10% off in the month of February. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my video and hope you have a great day. Bye.